This poem is about the thinking process of a child. It tells us what the child wants to become when he or she grows up. We can all relate to that poem. All of us love to think of what we want to be when we grow up. In the future, what is your aim? Whenever we see any professional or hear of any profession, exciting profession, for example, doctor, engineer, IAS, OS, administrative fields, in any exciting professions, we think of doing that. When we grow up, as a child, every profession attracts us and we want to do them all. The child in this poem wants to be a detective with a master key. Detective means a person who investigates the crimes. A person will not know, I want to be a detective with a master key. At first, he or she wants to be a detective. Detective means a person who investigates the crimes with the help of a master key. Master key means any key. A key which can open any locks. With the help of a master key, a detective detect the crimes. The second, I could be a soldier, perhaps a sailor too. Second is, he said that he wants to become a soldier. Soldier, he says the soldier saves the country. He saves the country. Then sailor. Then he wants to be a sailor. Sailor means the sailor who sails ship on the sea. Sailor who sails ship on the sea. Then he or she, a child, wants to be a keeper, then zookeeper at Nandankanan Zoo. He wants to be a keeper at Nandankanan Zoo. Zookeeper means a person who take care of the birds and animals in the zoo. Zookeeper. Then I would like to own a trumpet and play musical tune. Own a trumpet. Own. That is, the chalk is own. So, he owned a trumpet. Trumpet means a musical instrument which is made of brass. A musical instrument which is made of brass. So, the child wants to be a trumpet and play musical tune. He play a musical tune with the help of a trumpet. So, he wants to be a musician. Or buy a private spaceship to fly me to the moon. Buy a private spaceship with the help of a private ship he fly to the moon. I would like to be the driver of an express diesel train. He wants to become a driver of an express diesel train. Then, or be a lighthouse keeper, where I want and when. Lighthouse keeper, lighthouse, there is the sea. The light gives the ships to the, where is the ship is near or far to the sea. So the lighthouse is, he wants to be a lighthouse keeper. Lighthouse keeper is situated in the seashore. It is situated in the seashore. He is the keeper, the guard of the lighthouse keeper. So he wants certain aims: first detective, then soldier, then sailor, then zookeeper, then a musician with the help of a trumpet, and he fly to the moon with the help of a private spaceship. Then he wants to be a driver in the express diesel train, and at last he wants to be a lighthouse keeper or guard of the lighthouse. So she wants more and more aims in his life, in his or in her life. Finally he decides he wants to be all of these. He says he can go on doing everything one after another in turns. Because the more one lives, the more one learns. Now, students, I will ask some questions. Students, who is I in the poem? Yes, you say. Who is I in the poem? When I grow, who is I want to be. When I grow up, I could be a soldier. Who is I? The poet or the child? The poet or the child in this poem is I. Is I in this poem? The poet or the child? Next question. What does the child want to be in the first stanza? What does the child want to be in the first stanza? The first stanza, 4 lines, keep up war, when I grow up, I want to be a detective with a master key. First stanza, 4 lines, when I grow up, I want to be a detective with a master key. So, he aims at, he wants to be a detective with a master key. He investigates the crimes with the help of a master key. In the second stanza, the child likes 3 professions. What are they? The second stanza, I could be a soldier, perhaps a sailor too, or become a keeper at London Canning Zoo. First, he wants to be a soldier, then sailor, then keeper, zookeeper. He wants 3 aims: first soldier, then sailor, then zookeeper. The second stanza, the child likes soldier, sailor, and zookeeper. Then the third question, in which stanza does the poet describe a child's interest for music? In which stanza the poet wants to be the poet describes the child's interest to a music? The third stanza, he own a trumpet, he buy a trumpet. Trumpet means a musical instrument. He buy a musical instrument. With the help of a musical instrument, he wants to be a musician, play a musical tune. So the third stanza, the poet describes the child's interest for the music of the third stanza. Then, how does he want to fly to the moon? How does he want to fly to the moon? I would like to own a trumpet, play a musical tune, or buy a private spaceship to fly me to the moon. So, in the third stanza, he wants to buy a private spaceship and fly to the moon. So, the child or the poet wants to buy a private spaceship to fly to the moon. What does the child want in stanza 4? The child wants to be a driver. The child wants to be a driver of an express diesel train. He wants to be a driver of an express diesel train. Or be a lighthouse keeper, where I want a man. A lighthouse keeper, The fourth Sanjay, he wants to be a driver of an express diesel train and lighthouse keeper. So the fourth stanza, the last stanza different from other stanzas. How? So the first stanza, he wants to be a detective. The second stanza, he wants to be a soldier, sailor, zookeeper. The third stanza, he wants to be a musician, and he wants to be he wants to fly to the moon. The fourth stanza, he wants to be a driver of an express diesel train. The fifth stanza, the fourth stanza, he wants to be a lighthouse keeper. But in the fifth stanza, he does not want aims, his professions. He wants more and more. For the more one lives, the more one loves. He wants more aims. But the name does not mention in the fifth stanza. Profession does not mention. Now, which two lines of the last stanza tell the reason why he wants to take up different jobs? The first two lines of the last stanza, first two lines, for the more one lives, the more one loves, tells the reason why the child wants to take up different jobs. The first two lines. Then, which word or phrase tells so in the last stanza? I think I will be all these things and go on taking turns. These words, I think I will be all these things. These words and phrases, lines in the last stanza tells so. Why does he want to take up all the jobs one after another? Why does he wants to tell all the jobs one after another? He wants to take up all the jobs, detective, soldier, sailor, zookeeper, musician, spaceship, and driver of the express diesel train, lighthouse keeper. So he wants more and more jobs. He wants to take up all the jobs one after another because the more one knows different things, the more one longs. I will ask some questions about the poem. What does a detective do? What does a detective do? A detective investigates crimes. First stanza, the child wants to be a detective. Then the child wants to be a sailor, soldier, and zookeeper. Zookeeper means a person who take care of the animals and birds in the zoo. First stanza, the child wants to be a detective with the help of a master key. A master key means a master key that can open any locks. So, that a detective investigates with the help of a master key. Then, the child wants to be a sailor, soldier, and zookeeper. Then in the third stanza, the child wants to be a musician. With the help of a trumpet, he wants to be a musician. Trumpet means a musical instrument which is made of brass. The child wants to be a musician with the help of a trumpet. Then he wants to be a express diesel train. He wants to be a express diesel train. And he wants to be a keeper of the lighthouse, and he wants to be a spaceman. So with the help of a private spaceship, he fly to the moon. Finally, he said that I lives more than and learns more. So at last he said that he learns more and more things or many aims he wants. Now discuss about rearrange the words to make meaningful sentence. Child to moon wants the child wants to the child wants to fly to the moon. Next question. First, the child wants to fly to the moon. Then B, the wants detective a child too. The child wants to be a detective. The child wants to be a detective. Wants to be a detective. Then driver to I a like would be. I would like to be a driver. I would like to be a driver. I would like to be a driver. Then all I these will think I thinks be. All I these will think I thinks be. I think. Then all I these will think I thinks be. I think I will be all these things. I think I will be. I think I will be all these things. All these things. All these things. I think I will be all these things. Then finally leaves more the loves one more one the. The more one leaves, the more one loves. The more one leaves, the more one leaves, the more one loves. The more one loves. Write the real words to make meaningful sentence in your question answer notebooks. Students, now discuss about the rhyming words of the poem. Now the match the words. Two is matched with Jew. Rhyming words rhyming words Jew. Tune, moon. Tune, moon. Then train, van. Bee, key. Lawns, towns. Leaves, things. Practice the rhyming words and write down in your notebook. Practice the rhymes and recite similar rhyme or write down a similar rhyme in your notebook. Thank you.